guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am just gonna talk to you. I'm gonna share the feedbacks which I've got from all of you about all the moisturizers which I've showcased. Not all the moisturizers but the popular ones which really got very popular among all of you. So I just wanted to share the feedback so that you can decide on what to buy and what not. I have always expressed whatever I felt after using a product, but when a product goes very popular, it is used by a lot of people and I get to know about the feedback from coming from many of you. So yeah, let's begin with the first and foremost thing is the Moskina moisturizer. This has really become very popular and obviously it has been like purchased by many other YouTubers, and yes, some of my friends like who are in the YouTube community, they have supported me and they have obviously like talked about this, and I have got two types of feedback. So obviously one has been very positive, and mostly the dry skin people, they have been highly benefited by this kind of moisturizer. I got two comments from two of you saying that it had burned the side of the nose after long usage. So they used it for 2 months. After 2 months they noticed that they had burns on the side of their noses. So yeah, that was a feedback I wanted to share with you all. And the second complaint was this giving a bad smell. Now honestly, mine is not at all like, mine doesn't smell at all. Some people have told me that they had some fragrance issue with this. Even though the company claims to be fragrance free, they felt like some kind of fragrance or some kind of smell being emitted by this. Now I feel like this brand is reducing this cream. I think this is not stable at higher temperature, so in the warehouse, if they have not stored it properly, I am sure like this is gonna disintegrate and it might give a foul smell. Now this particular problem has happened with Aquaoats as well, with the older formulation, and one or two of you had come back to me saying that it smelled like yogurt, which I never felt with my creams. So I think the formulation needs to be stabilized a bit and they can come up with a better formulation. I've always tried to reach out to this company and they never ever reply back to my email, but this time I want to make sure and I will reach out to them and I will let them know whatever your feedback. As expressed earlier, I have told that this is a kind of oily and I preferred using it at night time. So if you're, especially if you're in a hot and humid place, I will never ever recommend this in the daytime. Even I am in Bangalore and here the temperature varies from 20 to 26 and it is comparatively cooler than other regions. I feel even in the daytime I don't use this. I always have used it in the night time. So you can decide on whether to buy this or not based on all these feedbacks, and I hope this will be useful to you. The next moisturizer which I am going to talk about is Aquaoats. This also got very popular, and till now I have not got negative comments with the new formulation. The only con which is you shouldn't apply this around your eyes, because I have mentioned this in my second video on Aquaoats that this is the sting around the eyes. So there was only one negative feedback on this, and that was given by Astha. I remember her comment. So she had an issue with her eye after applying this around the eyes. So, and yeah, this is not enough hydrating, which I have also shared in my earlier video. And yeah, there was a sponsored video on my channel, and that was about the Biolage conditioners. And yes, I did get a comment from one of you saying that she has used this one and she has got benefited. I will attach the snapshot over here. I have shared those on my Instagram stories. Now if you go to my Instagram page, you can get all the positive feedback from every one of you who let me know via messages, and I do save them and like save it under the highlights of my stories, so you can just go and follow all of those. So if you want to get feedbacks on any of the products which I've showcased on this channel, I think most of the feedbacks are there on my Instagram, and you don't have to necessarily follow me over Instagram. So it was a sponsored post, by the way, but yeah, I have not yet received the payment from them, and obviously I did mention that I like this one. So if you are planning to buy, get this one. I'll be making a video in the future and I'll be commenting on each of the products which I have showcased in my earlier videos, whether I stick to those, whether I don't, whether I repurchase any of those. I am planning to make a series on that. I will be my own critic and I'll be going through all of those. So stay tuned for that. Anything and everything on this channel, I just want it to keep it genuine. Nothing is more precious to me than you all. There's a company, there's a startup, Inner Club, just like Amazon. They will build a website, they will take care of everything, the inventory, the product dispatch and everything. And yeah, I have just collaborated with them and I have come up with my own shop, and I will leave the link in the description box below for your reference. So the first request which I have made to this company is to keep the price at par with other companies. Like if Amazon is selling a particular product for rupees X, I make sure that my product should be sold at either X or less than that, so not more than. Obviously if my store goes well, I will obviously ask them to give some offers to you, and please like I'll try my best to give the best to all of you. I will obviously try my best to give some coupons to all of you. I will try whatever is possible from my end. I will try my best to do it. I hope it was useful, and if you have any queries or questions, you can leave those in my comment section, and yes, I'll be getting back to all of you. So yeah, that was all about today's video. See you in my next video pretty soon. Bye. Take care.